Project-based learning is a different type of teaching approach where you start with an overarching complex question and students get the opportunity to have hands-on experiences through projects and trips and collaboration with their peers to answer this overarching question.
We answered the question how Charleston is affected by ecotourism, and so the students got to take an eco tour themselves on the Barrier Islands trip, and then they went to the Coastal Expeditions eco tour to answer and ask questions about what ecotourism is so that they could write their business plans and plan their websites. They really enjoyed those trips that allowed them to put their learning into practice.
There are many different types of questions that we can ask about tourism that are age and grade appropriate for our kids, so we thought that this would be a great first project-based learning topic.
My favorite thing about today was telling people about my work. I made a poster and I learned about the pastry chef and the chef, and I made a picture of the chef making red rice and meatballs.
The students have really been able to get involved and grapple with their learning that is meaningful for them in the community. And so they've really enjoyed the opportunity to take a different approach to learning, get more hands-on, go out into the community and field trips and apply their knowledge, and then come together and make this big project to present to families and community members.